In this lecture, we're going to explore working with iframes. An iframe is an HTML document embedded inside another HTML document. Iframes are commonly used to insert content from another source into a web page. For the purpose of this lesson, we want to build a page that allows users to conduct searches on multiple search engines from a single page, as shown in this example. Here, we can search both ask.com and bing.com search engines, and the search results will load in their corresponding iframe. To begin, you'll need to open your text editor and create a basic HTML page, as shown here. Once complete, save your page as iframes.html anywhere on your computer. Next, we'll need to add our iframes into the page. An iframe can be added with the iframe tag. We'll add this tag into the body of our HTML document. This is the open iframe tag, and I'll also insert the close iframe tag. The iframe tag has different attributes we can apply. The first attribute is the iframe source. And that's the source of the web page that will be displayed within this iframe. Next, we can specify the width of the iframe. We'll use 100% as the width. And we can also specify a height. And for that, we'll use 400. Now, not all web browsers support iframes. So the next thing we want to do is we just want to include a line of code that will be displayed if the user's browser does not support iframes. So in this case, the user will know to either use a different browser or update their existing browser. So that's our first iframe. And we're going to copy this block of code and paste it. And this time just switch the iframe source attribute to bing.com, which is the other search engine we want to display. Now go ahead and save your file and preview this in your web browser. And as you can see, both pages, ask.com and bing.com, are displayed in this single HTML document and contained within an iframe.